The 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is a modern three-wheeler designed to meet the evolving needs of urban and suburban transportation. This new generation vehicle builds upon Bajaj's legacy of reliability, efficiency, and affordability while incorporating contemporary design elements and technological advancements. It caters to drivers looking for a fuel-efficient and comfortable ride, as well as passengers seeking a safe and convenient travel option. With a sleek yet functional body, the 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw retains the classic silhouette that has made it a familiar sight on Indian roads. The front fascia has been slightly redesigned to enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a traditional appeal. The headlamp setup now features LED lighting, providing better visibility and reducing power consumption. Integrated turn indicators offer improved safety, ensuring that signals are visible even in heavy traffic conditions. The cabin has been designed for maximum comfort and functionality. The driver's area is more spacious, offering better legroom and an ergonomically positioned handlebar for ease of control. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, displaying speed, fuel level, trip information, and maintenance alerts. A mobile charging port is included to support the driver's connectivity needs throughout the day. The passenger compartment is slightly wider, providing improved seating space with cushioned seats and a better suspension system to absorb road bumps more effectively. The 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is available in multiple engine variants, catering to different user preferences and regulatory norms. It comes in petrol, CNG, and electric versions, allowing buyers to choose based on fuel availability, running costs, and environmental considerations. The CNG model continues to be a favorite among fleet operators due to its cost-effectiveness and lower emissions, while the electric version is designed for future-ready cities aiming to reduce their carbon footprint. The electric variant features a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, offering an extended range per charge. Fast charging capabilities ensure that downtime is minimized, making it an efficient option for commercial use. The battery management system optimizes performance while ensuring longevity, making it a viable long-term investment. For traditional users, the petrol and CNG models have improved fuel efficiency, thanks to Bajaj's advancements in engine technology. One of the major improvements in this model is the chassis and suspension system. A reinforced body frame ensures better durability and stability, reducing vibrations during rides. The front telescopic suspension and rear hydraulic shock absorbers work together to provide a smoother experience on rough roads. This improvement enhances ride quality for both the driver and passengers, making long hours of operation less taxing. Braking performance has also been enhanced to meet modern safety standards. The vehicle is equipped with a combination of drum and disc brakes, depending on the variant, ensuring effective stopping power in all conditions. The introduction of a combined braking system (CBS) in certain models improves control, especially on slippery roads. Safety features such as seat belts for passengers and a sturdy crash guard add to the overall security of the vehicle. The 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw offers a range of color options and customization features to suit individual and commercial needs. Fleet operators can opt for branding-friendly designs, while independent drivers can choose stylish color schemes that enhance visibility and aesthetics. The body panels are made from high-quality materials resistant to rust and wear, ensuring long-term durability in various weather conditions. Maintenance and serviceability have been streamlined in this new model. Bajaj has integrated a smart diagnostic system in the digital console, alerting drivers about service schedules, low battery levels, or engine issues. The company has also expanded its service network, ensuring that spare parts and maintenance support are readily available. The electric model, in particular, has a simplified drivetrain, reducing the frequency and cost of maintenance compared to traditional combustion engine variants. Technology integration plays a key role in enhancing the usability of the 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw. Certain premium variants are equipped with GPS tracking, allowing fleet operators to monitor vehicle movement in real time. Bluetooth connectivity in select models enables drivers to pair their devices for hands-free communication and navigation assistance. These smart features contribute to a more efficient and convenient driving experience. In terms of environmental impact, the electric and CNG variants stand out as sustainable options. The CNG model significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to petrol or diesel counterparts, while the electric model eliminates tailpipe emissions entirely. This makes the vehicle compliant with stricter emission norms and a preferred choice for cities transitioning to green mobility solutions. The affordability of the 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw remains a strong selling point. Despite the added features and advancements, Bajaj has ensured competitive pricing to cater to a wide customer base. Financing options and government incentives for electric vehicle buyers make ownership more accessible. The low operational cost, combined with high fuel efficiency, ensures that drivers can maximize their earnings while keeping expenses under control. For last-mile connectivity, the 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw continues to be a top choice. Its compact dimensions allow it to navigate narrow streets with ease, making it ideal for congested urban areas. Whether used for daily commutes, cargo transportation, or ride-sharing services, this vehicle remains a dependable and versatile option. The new model reinforces Bajaj's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and user satisfaction. With its improved design, enhanced comfort, multiple fuel options, and smart features, the 2026 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is set to redefine the three-wheeler segment, ensuring a superior experience for both drivers and passengers.